Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have first the derivative of y and y. This is about linear differential equation. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We can see that positive number 5 next to y. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one goal here. And this one we have 5s. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ap. So the integration of that one, we have y e to the power of 5s. This one that is about e to the power of 5s over number 5, and I will put about c. This one divided by this one, we have negative number 5. Next, we divide both sides by this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.